Imagine a farm where your chickens thrive on nutritious, homemade feed. A farm where you have complete control over what your flock eats, ensuring their health and your peace of mind. Introducing the Pellet Mill Flat Die Electric Mill, powered by an efficient electric motor with a control panel. This innovative tool is designed to transform biomass waste into high-quality chicken feed pellets, each precisely tailored to 4 millimeters for optimal digestion and minimal wastage. By producing your own feed, you not only cut down on costs, but also eliminate the uncertainty of commercial feed additives. Your chickens receive a healthier diet, directly impacting their productivity and well-being. Designed for small to medium farm operations, the compact and user-friendly pellet mill is easy to operate and requires minimal maintenance. It provides a reliable, high-output feed supply without taking up valuable space. Investing in the Meelko Flat Die Pelletizer means embracing a greener, more efficient way of farming. Enhance your farm's output, control your poultry nutrition, and support sustainable agricultural practices with this essential tool. So, elevate your farm's productivity and sustainability with the Meelko pellet mills. Visit our website or our warehouse and discover how this innovative tool can revolutionize your poultry farm.